Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Celine Dion's Courage World Tour, where Solotech brings an expert crew, a huge L-Acoustics rig, and SSL consoles on the road for this epic 12-month tour. In our tour focus, Steve Jennings checks the action as the Doobie Brothers bring live performance of their Toulouse Street and the Captain of Me albums in their entirety on the road. We also return from Amsterdam's Rise Center with a look at some of the hot new pro audio hits of the ISE show. Meanwhile, Brian Reisman talks to sound designers Paul Arditi and Christopher Reed about creating the audio for The Inheritance. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on large format consoles. For the really big jobs, especially in the 100+ input range, only a big console will do. We check out some top-of-the-line offerings. Our installation spotlight looks at some recent audio upgrades in 5 live theater and performing arts venues. And we check out the new sound system at San Diego's Viejas Arena, where this popular venue gets a sonic makeover with a 120-box View Audio-Technic rig.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.